Good morning students. Today we are going to start exercise 14.4 where we will learn how to draw the perpendicular lines. Before that we will come to know that what are the perpendicular lines. Two lines said to be perpendicular if angle between the lines is 90 degree like this. We have already discussed in chapter 5 that what are the perpendicular lines. See, this is your first line. This is your second line. This point is called the intersection point of the lines and angle between them is 90 degree. So these lines are said to be perpendicular lines. Now see, here we have this line and this is the ray. As we know, every ray is a part of line. So angle between them is also 90. So these are also said to be perpendicular to each other. Now students, we will do the methods how to draw the perpendicular lines. So first topic is perpendicular to a line, means if a line is given to us and we have a point on it. Just suppose we have a line, and if a point on it, we are giving the name to it is A. Now first method is how to draw the perpendicular on this line at this point, means on this line at this point, means passing through the point A, but that must be perpendicular to this line. We have two methods. First method is using set squares and ruler. Another method is we have using ruler and compass. So first we will do the method that how to draw a perpendicular line perpendicular to a line given through a point on it. Remember, we are using the set square and ruler if we have a line and a point A or any other point on the line, and then how to draw a perpendicular on this line which passes through the point A. Now we are using the ruler. To draw this line we have drawn. Now we will take a point A on it. Now we will just keep that scale like this and we will take the set square. Remember, keeping the 90, because we know this is a set square and this angle is of 90 degree. So we will keep this like this, and this edge must along this line. Also we will take the scale and now we will shift. We will get the slide of this set square till this point like this. Now we are observing, and now we will get a line along this edge of the set square and we will see what is the angle, this 90, and get the extension of this line. Now this is a perpendicular on the given line which passes through the point A, Now we will draw perpendicular to a line through a point on it using ruler and compass. Earlier we have discussed using ruler and set square. For this, now we will take the ruler and compass. We will take a line using ruler. Mark arrows both sides. Now see, we have to draw a perpendicular on this line, passes through a point which lie on this line. So we will take a point. Just suppose we have taken a point P. Now we will use compass. As much you want to open, you can open. It's your choice. Now keep on point P and give arc like this. Now where this arc meet on the line, name the point A and B. Now you will open compass more than AP. This is AP. P is the center point of AB now. Now we will open more than half of it. P is the midpoint of AB. Now we will open more than AP, or we can say more than BP. Now keeping on A, you can open till a B also, but it must be more than AP, like this. Like this you can open. Now keep on A. Now keep on A and keep on B. We will get these type of arcs. Now keeping on these points, the point which lie on this arc, this is the complete arc. See, we will keep on this point. First you have to open the arc. Don't get increase or decrease. Once you given this arc, don't get increase or decrease. Keep on this point, students. You can highlight this. Keep on these points and give this type of arc. Maybe it will be above of your statement, anywhere it can. Now these we will get this type of arc. After keeping on these point, we will give the arcs like this, and we will get the intersection point of these two arcs here and join this intersection point to the point P. This is also a perpendicular. This is also a perpendicular line which passes through a point on the given line. So this is the method to using ruler and compass to get a perpendicular on the given line passes through a given point which lie on the given line. Students, now we are doing the next, that we have to draw a perpendicular to a line. Means we have a line, we will draw a perpendicular on this line through a point. Means that perpendicular will pass through a point which will not lie on this line. It means we will take a point outside of this. So just suppose we have taken a point R outside of this line. Earlier we have learned how to draw a point, how to draw a perpendicular passes through a point which lie on this line. But now point is outside of this line. Just suppose we have taken a point R. Now student, this concept is just we are talking, it means we are talking about the question 2 of exercise 14.4. This is same to this. See here what we have, draw any line segment PQ. So we are taking now PQ as P, and here we are taking Q. So because PQ is a part of line, means line segment is a part of line. So we have taken this PQ. This is a line segment, and complete this one is a line. Now we have taken a point R which is not on the line. It is outside of the line. Through R, draw a perpendicular to PQ. So same concept we have, means we will draw a perpendicular on this PQ, on this line which passes through the point R which lie outside of this line using ruler and set square. So how to do this? So you will just fix your set square like this. 90 must be at this point P. Now this is angle 90 and this side is the opposite of angle 90. You will keep your ruler along this side which is opposite to the 90 degree. Now students, you just fix your ruler. Remember, fix your ruler and get, just slightly you will take your set square like this. So you will take till, you will do till if you are getting this point at R. So we will shift along this edge of ruler like this. You are shifting, you are just like, you will do like this. You are observing when this R point, see this R point is, you are observing this R point is here. Now it's just along this edge of set square. Now you will take your pencil. Now you just get like this, take your pencil and through this point mark a line along the edge of this set square. So now see, this is a perpendicular which is passes through the point R. This is perpendicular to this given line. Angle between them is 90 degree, passes through the point R, and we have drawn using ruler and set square. Students, now we will do how to draw a perpendicular to a given line through a point which is not lie on the given line using ruler and compass. Now already we have drawn how to draw using set square and ruler. Now we will draw using ruler and compass. We have this line and we have a point R not on it. Now we will use ruler and compass, that how we can draw a perpendicular on this given line using ruler and compass passing through the point R. Now you just have a point R. Now take your compass. Using ruler we have drawn this line and we have taken a point R outside of this. Now keep your compass on R, the pointer of the compass on R, and as much you want to open you can open. Like this you will draw a arc. Now this arc meeting the line on these 2 points. You can name them the point A and B. Now keep your compass on A and B, and without increasing or decreasing the compass, as we have kept on R and we have given this arc. Now without getting increase or decrease, just keep on B, give this type of arc, keep on A, give this type of arc. Now you will get this type of arc. Now students, these two arcs meeting at this point, that must be opposite side of R. If R is here, then we will draw this arc this side. If we are taking R this side, then this type of arc will come in this direction. Now this point will be joined to, now students, this point will be joined to the point R. So what we get, this is a perpendicular to a given line which is passing through the point given R. You can get extend also. So this is a perpendicular on the given line, passes through the point R. So mention this angle is 90 because this is a perpendicular to given line. Now students, we are going to start question 1 of exercise 14.4. We have to draw a line segment AB and we have to take a point M on it. We know that line segment is a part of line. So we have taken this line. Your wish, you can choose a line segment first or you can choose a point M first. First, just suppose we are taking a line segment AB and a point M on it. M can be anywhere. This is a line segment. You can highlight this line segment. Now this is a line segment. You can choose a point M anywhere on this line segment. Just suppose I am choosing here M. Now we will take compass. We will keep on M. As much you want to open the compass, you can, and give this type of arc. If we will choose the M point first, then after putting this arc, you can give these points by the name A and B. But we have already chosen that AB first. So we will give them by the another point C and D. Now students, after giving this arc, we will open the compass more than CM like this. This is your CM. We will open the compass more than CM, or we can say more than DM. Now keep on C, give this type of arc, keep on D, give this type of arc. Now keeping on these 2 points, give arc like this. Where these 2 arcs are meeting, join this point to the point M, which is a perpendicular on the given line segment AB, as well as on CD, or we can say on L also. So means on this line also. So this is the way to draw any perpendicular which passes through a point M on the given line segment. Now we will do the question 3 of exercise 14.2. Question 2 we have already discussed. Now question 3, we will draw a line L. So we will take a line L. We will take a line and we will give the name to this line by L. Now we will take a point X on it. So we will take a point X on this given line. Through X, draw a line segment XY which is perpendicular to this line. So we will do the same process as we have discussed in question 1. So we will keep on X. We will open the compass. As much you want to open, you can open. Now give these points by the name A and B. Now say you will open the compass more than X is the midpoint of AB. You will open the compass more than of AX, means till this you can open. Just suppose we have taken this. Now keep on A, give this type of arc. Keep on B, give this type of arc. Now keeping on these 2 points, give this type of arc. Now these 2 arcs meet at this point. Now join this. This is a line which is perpendicular to the given line. See the statement again. We have to draw a line segment XY perpendicular to L. So this is a perpendicular to the line L. So we can mark a point X anywhere. Just suppose like we can mark here, you can mark anywhere a point Y. Now we are observing XY is perpendicular to this given L. Now students, what is in the next? What is next? Now draw a perpendicular to XY at Y using ruler and compass. Now rotate your file. This is your XY. Now we will draw a perpendicular to XY at Y, means it passes through Y. Now keep your compass on Y. As much you want to open, you can open. Give the same, use the same process as we have used here. Give the arc. Now this is point Y. We used A and B. Now we can take this point as M and this point by the name N. Now we will open the compass more than MY, and keeping on M, keep this type, give this type of arc. Keep on N, give the arc. Now keeping on these, now we get these 2 points. With the same compass open, you will keep on these points and give the arc. If these are not meeting, you can extend it again. Now where these 2 arcs are meeting, join this point to the point Y. Now which is perpendicular on XY. Now we are observing this line is perpendicular to XY. You can extend it. So we have done this. We have drawn the perpendicular. First we have drawn XY perpendicular to L. Now we have drawn a perpendicular on this XY which passes through Y.